This 1952 3100 is a head-turning stunner that mixes hot Vortec power with a tough 4L80E 4-speed and choice aesthetics. And if you're ready to feel the breeze behind the wheel of a storied Detroit legend, it's a chance to turn your lustworthy dreams into fantastic reality. The beneficiary of a ground-up restoration, this slick Chevy wraps custom white two-stage around a desirable 5-window body that's both worldly and classic. A polished grille hangs clear parking lamps between a shaved hood, halo headlights, and a polished bumper. A chainless tailgate protects a massaged bed that's been stained, coated in polyurethane, and trimmed in stainless. And polished LED taillights illuminate a custom roll pan and a second polished bumper. Between the doors, you'll find a custom professionally installed terracotta leather interior. Buick LeSabre buckets look and feel fantastic. A custom dash hangs stylish Dakota Digital gauges next to modern JVC audio and climate control. And the driver spins a polished and half-wrapped wheel around a tilting column. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-liter Vortec block that's been topped by LS3 heads and dyno-proven to over 420 horsepower. That strong fuel-injected engine sends power through a 4L80E back to a Ford 9-inch. A tough-looking street rod that wraps a hot modern drivetrain in crisp, timeless aesthetics? What more could you ask for? For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.